What a mess in front of you. Here's my bucket of water and the tools that I've used here, sponges, brushes. I'm going to set those off to the side. My little tray here for my acrylic palette. I just wanted to share with you, while I was off screen, I couldn't help myself. I introduced that color that was right here. And I played with it softer. And I rolled in. I used, oh my gosh, where did it go? I even lost it now. I had a little stencil here. Here it is. That I made just with holes, you know, a hole puncher. And so I brought those in right away. And as soon as I brought that in, that brought that all the way over here. Rolled it in, did some more stars over the other stars and pushed those back. Played with the circle theme that's going on here. We got spiral and circle. And then I have my little fun foam on wood blocks that I created, little stamps. So I've got those and I stamped it in there to play with this. I'll kind of shadow around some of these things to get them to even pop out even more. Then I brought the pencil in and I started drawing some lines in there. Not sure if you can see them all, but and then I did some scribbling, and I just love that, the pencil on top of all of this stuff. Usually we see the pencil underneath. So I've got that on top of there. Not exactly sure. And then I decided to come in and play with my house theme, that I like the house, the square and the triangle. Drew some more lines that are in there. I can shadow around them and play with those. I'm just having great fun here with this. It just doesn't stop. And I just wanted to share with everyone, you know, where I've been going with it. Oh, and I even did some splattering down here, just using some different techniques of how to bring materials to the surface of your accordion sketchbook. So that's where we are right now. I need to stop because I've got other things to do today.